Hello everyone, I'm Xiangjie. We reached a conclusion in the previous episode. The dividend of traditional luxury fuel vehicles has completely disappeared. Global automakers are all focusing on the new energy track. The automotive industry has entered a transformation and restructuring phase. Looking back at the fuel vehicle era, joint venture brands once monopolized China's automotive market. Currently, China's new energy industry is evolving rapidly. Chinese local enterprises have achieved all-round technological breakthroughs. The transformation pace of foreign brands is extremely critical. Technical reserves determine their living space in China. The Chinese automotive market has two clear core sectors: electrification and intelligence. The rules of industrial competition have been completely rewritten. All old rules of the fuel vehicle era have become invalid. To remain competitive in the market, joint venture brands must change. They need technological innovation and in-depth localization. In this video, we focus on two major sections: 3 joint venture brands and Hongmeng Intelligent Mobility. We analyze their electrification and intelligent layouts. We will uncover the real competition between Chinese and foreign automakers. The transformation of joint venture brands. 1. Audi. As a representative German luxury joint venture brand, it takes localized cooperation as its core transformation strategy. Audi cooperates with SAIC to launch electric vehicles. It adopts a dual product layout to enrich its product matrix, including e-tron pure electric and plug-in hybrid models. Audi continuously cuts fuel vehicle output and R&D investment. It completes the upgrading of its electrified product structure. In terms of intelligent driving, Audi adopts external technologies. Mainstream models are equipped with Momenta Intelligent Driving System. High-end versions are equipped with Mobileye Auxiliary Technology. All models are equipped with mass-produced L2 Plus driving assistance system. It makes up for intelligent shortcomings relying on Chinese supply chains. It fully complies with Chinese traffic regulations and driving habits. 2. Nissan. Nissan adopts a clear and diversified technological transformation strategy. Its intelligent system is fully adapted to Chinese local ecosystems. It applies 2 technical routes for electrification layout. The pure electric area targets the mainstream EV market. The e-power hybrid technology lowers the vehicle usage threshold. Dual power forms cover consumers at all consumption levels. It balances transformation rhythm and market acceptance. All Nissan vehicles are equipped with Huawei Hongmeng Smart Cockpit. Its intelligent driving system also adopts the Momenta solution. It leverages mature Chinese intelligent technology for rapid iteration. It optimizes cockpit logic and human-computer interaction. It perfectly fits the intelligent usage habits of Chinese users. 3. Lexus. Backed by Toyota, Lexus follows a steady and conservative route. It avoids blind and radical pure electrification transformation. It adopts hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and BEV 3-line layout. The pure electric Rs is equipped with cattle power batteries. The exclusive BEV platform guarantees manufacturing quality. Hybrid technology is widely applied in its mainstream models. It focuses on vehicle stability and premium riding experience. The vehicle system carries Qualcomm 8155 high computing chip. It is matched with a brand-customized Android vehicle system. It prioritizes stability and abandons redundant fancy functions. Its self-developed LS's Plus 3.0 system supports intelligent driving. It is equipped with HSI LiDAR sensors. Currently, it only retains basic L2 level driving assistance. It has not yet launched Urban NOAA high-level navigation function. Lexus adheres to a safety-first conservative R&D concept. 2. HarmonyOS Smart Mobility, Intelligent and Electrification Strategy Layout. HarmonyOS Smart Mobility stands as China's core player in new energy technology. Backed by Huawei, it owns full-stack self-developed core technologies. It builds a complete brand matrix covering multiple price ranges. It includes 4 brands: AITO, Luxeed, SAIC, and Stellato. It serves as China's key force competing against foreign brands. It is redefining industry standards for intelligent EVs. 1. AITO. AITO targets the mainstream household consumption market. It features balanced performance and full-scene intelligence. Its product lineup covers mainstream SUV and MPV family models. It perfectly fits daily travel scenarios for Chinese families. It adopts both pure electric and extended range architectures. Equipped with an efficient 3-electric system with low energy consumption, it balances battery life while lowering daily usage costs. It reduces the purchasing and using threshold for ordinary users. All models come standard with Huawei HarmonyOS Smart Cockpit. It supports multi-device interconnection with powerful ecosystem linkage. Full scene wake-up free voice ensures smooth operation. It is equipped with Huawei self-developed ADS intelligent driving system. It supports highway and urban NOAA navigation assistance. With reliable mass production, it has become a benchmark family EV. 2. Luxeed. Luxeed focuses on business travel and high-performance segments. It offers premium sedans and flagship business MPVs. Built on a dedicated pure electric platform with solid engineering. It adopts a high-voltage fast-charging architecture for quick energy refueling. It delivers strong power output alongside rapid charging speed. The cockpit is equipped with a business-exclusive customized HarmonyOS. Its logic and interaction are tailored for business users. It is equipped with Huawei ADS 2.0 and 3.0 high-level solutions. Top-tier hardware supports continuous OTA algorithm upgrades. Vehicle intelligence achieves long-term iterative evolution. It performs excellently in complex road conditions and automatic parking. Its active safety system maintains an industry-leading standard. It firmly holds the benchmark position of premium business EVs. 3. Shangjie. Xiangjie focuses on young buyers and personalized travel demands. It combines trendy design with cutting-edge intelligent technology. Its lineup includes sports coupes and personalized SUVs. It adopts both pure electric and hybrid technologies. It adapts to diverse and fragmented travel scenarios for young people. It optimizes throttle response while maintaining low energy consumption. It carries a lightweight customized Hongmeng cockpit. It retains core ecosystem and ensures smooth operation. It adds personalized and customizable interactive functions. It precisely matches young users' aesthetics and usage habits. It is equipped with Huawei standardized high-level intelligent driving. It popularizes high-level intelligent driving at an affordable cost. High-end intelligent configurations are available at friendly prices. It rapidly captures market share among young consumers. 4. Stelato. Stelato is positioned in the high-end luxury business segment. It directly competes against foreign luxury brands. It builds mid to large luxury sedans and business MPVs. Based on a luxury dedicated pure electric platform, it adopts a top-tier 3-electric system for smooth power output. Fine-tuned NVH tuning delivers superior luxurious quietness. A business-exclusive cabin is customized based on HarmonyOS. It emphasizes privacy, comfort, and office connectivity. It is equipped with Huawei top-level ADS intelligent driving system. It achieves full-scene high-level intelligent driving assistance. Leading technology redefines Chinese-style luxury. It breaks foreign monopoly in the high-end luxury EV market. 3. Competition between Chinese and foreign brands. The Chinese automotive market has completed a massive transition. In the fuel vehicle era, foreign brands dominated the market. In the new energy era, local brands take the lead. Market share differentiation has become extremely obvious. Chinese cell phone brands maintain leading EV market occupancy. The market share of foreign new energy vehicles keeps declining. The competitive advantages between both sides are completely reversed. From a technical perspective, foreign weaknesses are exposed. Joint venture brands are still catching up in electrification. Their Core 3 electric technology relies on external suppliers. Their R&D iteration speed lags far behind local brands. In intelligence, they mostly adopt Chinese supplier solutions. Foreign brands remain conservative in independent intelligent R&D. A clear technical gap exists in cockpit and autonomous driving. Chinese tech forces represented by HarmonyOS Smart Mobility have achieved self-developed and optimized 3-electric technology. The HarmonyOS ecosystem has realized full scenario coverage. Huawei ADS high-level driving has been massively deployed. From R&D to iteration and supply chain control, Chinese brands have built an independent industrial system. They lead in innovation efficiency and market adaptation. The gap between Chinese and foreign brands keeps widening. Foreign brands only retain traditional brand premium. They rely on reputation accumulated in the fuel vehicle era. Foreign brands fall behind in electrification performance. They also lag in intelligence and cost performance. Audi and Nissan cooperate with local Chinese tech suppliers. Lexus insists on conservative independent research. Essentially, they are all passively adapting to China's market rules. By comparison, the HarmonyOS ecosystem takes a proactive, innovative path. They continuously break technological boundaries. Dual advantages in technology and products expand their market share. They keep squeezing the living space of joint venture brands. They have become the core driving force of China's auto revolution. The Suzhou Auto Show is merely a microcosm of this revolution. In the next episode, we focus on China's leading new energy enterprises. We analyze their technological innovation and industrial layout logic. We evaluate their guiding influence on the entire automotive industry. We also forecast industrial trends for the next 2 to 3 years. We predict technological upgrades and global pattern changes. We fully demonstrate the global competitiveness of Chinese automobiles. See you in the next episode.